Hey there, this is Weldon with DragonFly, and today I'll show you how to register as an official with your state and regional associations. First, visit max.dragonflyathletics.com to log into DragonFly and select the Get Started button on your Today page. Then, select your role as an official. Next, search for your state association. I'm an official in Mississippi, so I'm going to search for my state and select the SSOA and click Join. Next, select your sports and activities. I'm a basketball official, so I'm going to make that selection and click Add Basketball. If you have more than one sport or activity, you can select all of them on the screen. Then I am going to choose my regional association. The regional association is the group that usually handles your game assignments and your payments. If you don't know your regional group, you can contact your state association and find out. You can also search through this list based on your area. I'm in Hattiesburg, so I'll select this regional association. Now review your initial registration info and make sure everything on the screen is correct. If you need to make a change, click Cancel, but if everything is correct, click Save. Now you will see a progress bar on your Today screen showing you how much you have completed for registration. Select the Complete My Registration button and then work through the different items you see on the checklist screen. The items that are completed will have a green check mark, and the ones that still need action are in red. Simply click on the button to the right to submit these items. Once you're done, you'll receive a confirmation email letting you know that you have completed registration. All that's left to do is wait for your association to check and approve your submitted paperwork. If you have any questions about your registration, be sure to contact your state and regional associations. They will be able to help you with questions specific to your sport and state.